Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to buy USD on Binance using your Visa card. First, log into your Binance account and navigate to the Buy Crypto section. From there, select credit/debit card as your payment method. Next, choose USD as the cryptocurrency you want to acquire. Finally, input the amount of fiat currency, like US dollars or euros, you wish to spend. This process is straightforward and designed for ease of use. Once you've selected your payment method, you'll need to add your Visa card details. Carefully enter your card number, the expiration date, and the 3-digit CVV code. It's crucial that your billing address precisely matches the address linked to your bank account to avoid any issues. Binance may also prompt you to complete a quick identity verification step to ensure security and compliance. This helps protect your transactions. After entering your card details, take a moment to review all the transaction specifics, including the amount of USD you'll receive and any associated fees. Once you're satisfied, confirm the purchase. You will likely be redirected to your bank's secure 3D Secure page for an additional layer of authentication. Here, you'll enter a one-time verification code, usually sent to your phone, to authorize the payment. Your USD will then be processed. To ensure a smooth experience, remember a few key tips. Always be mindful of the transaction fees, which can differ based on your location and the amount. Also, check Binance's daily and monthly purchase limits for card transactions to avoid surprises. Make sure your Visa card is enabled for international online purchases. Finally, always use two-factor authentication on your Binance account for maximum security. Happy trading!
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.